this is the plenum going out, so the air comes down and then goes through the crawl space to the various vents. But this here, this has never been sealed up. Somebody at one time put silicone there, but it doesn't really hold because this is so flexible. And then also a lot of air comes out right here. This could probably use another sheet metal screw here. So I was going to take this panel off and just, this is where the line set is for the air conditioning. And I just want to see what's behind here. I don't want to put any screws in there and blindly and not hit something. But anyways, before taking that off, I decided I wanted to disable the unit so it wouldn't turn on. So I took off the panels. These two panels usually, they're meant to be taken off by the consumer. Usually you would have a filter in here that you would replace, but it's actually on the wall, as you know. But when I took this off, I noticed all this rust down here in the corner. I don't know if this was indicated on your inspection when you bought the house, but I just want you to know about it. It looks like, so the way this works is it's a induced vent. So this inducer motor induces a flow, draws air in from that pipe there through the combustion chamber, and then pushes it out the exhaust. So it's an induced exhaust, but it creates a lot of condensation because it's high efficiency, high efficiency furnace, which means the water vapor has to drain somewhere. So it drains back down the vent into this cup here, and then overflows the cup, goes through this black pipe here, actually the white, black pipe, and then into the PVC down to the pump that then pumps it down to the drain. But anyway, it looks like the moisture was coming in, or is coming in, out of here where this connection is. And then I also see some up here. Let me turn the light on. So I see some indication of it there where the inducer exits, the exit port of the inducer. I don't know if this is some kind of silicone that someone added to try to stop that, or if that was part of the original install. And again, I don't know if this is still leaking. It would only show up when the furnace is running in the wintertime. But it's also causing some rust over here on the burners. So it is a problem. I guess this here is from dropping down from there. So it might be a couple different problems. Maybe these should probably, I'm thinking they should probably have some clamps on them. So I do notice there is a hole in the vent here that has been covered. Someone probably used that to test the flow at one time. But you could have somebody pour some water in that port just to make sure that it drains properly without leaking. That would probably be the way to make sure that that's not still leaking. Okay, so what I've done is took this piece, bent about a 1/2 inch edge, and there's still plenty of meat here to grab for these to screw into. And then I'll just reuse this panel here. It has a screw here and a screw here, so I'll just put a hole in this here and here to use those same screws to mount it. Put some silicone around just to help seal it up, and this will be much tighter. Alright, so here it is finished, all screwed in and sealed up.